Hello students. Today we are going to understand the concept of Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to make any kind of presentation or if you want to present anything in front of some people, you can take the help of Microsoft PowerPoint. So let me share a screen with you to help understand PowerPoint. Okay, so this is the basic page when you are going to open Microsoft PowerPoint. This will be the basic page. Okay, so we are going to take blank presentation. You can take any of the template from that. Okay, so this is the first slide. Whatever heading you want to put, you can do that. Okay, so for example, introduction of PowerPoint. Okay, click to add subtitle. That subtitle, for example, I am going to make this presentation, so I'll be like Professor Saji Joshi, Silver Oak University. Okay, so if I want to edit this, first of all, this thing, so I can take up, down, left, right, anywhere. Okay, I can change the format. For example, this size will be 60. I can make it bold or italic or underline anything. Okay, I can change the color of that particular text also. I can change the alignment of that particular text. Okay, for this, for example, if you want to edit the whole text of this particular box, you don't need to select this text. You can also select that text, but you can just click on the box. You can easily change. For example, this. The size will be 40, alignment will be right hand side. And if I want to move it to downside, I can do that. Okay. So this will be my heading slide. This is how my presentation's first slide will look. Okay. Now I want to add the slide. So this is the panel where you can edit or change the slide. Okay. So click here, new slide. Okay. Right click on it and new slide. This will be the new slide. So this slide won't be the same as the first slide because that was the heading side. Okay. So this click to add, for example, index, or we can say table of contents. So if I'm going to present some 4 to 5 topics to you, so I can add it. A, B, C, D, E. These many topics I'm going to explain. Okay, so this will be the index. Again, if I want to edit something or if I want to add the slide, click here, right click here and new slide. Okay, so the format of the slide or the layout of the slide will be same as the previous slide. Okay, now I want to explain A. So this is A because the table of contents, our first topic was content number A. So here I'm going to explain you A, something about A. Okay, same thing we can do that. We can edit from these particular edit bar. Okay, then for example, again I want to add the slide, right click, new slide, but I want to change the layout. So right click on that particular slide, then layout. Okay, so there are so many things, so many predefined layout in the PowerPoint which we can use. For example, I want to compare 2 things. Okay, so for example, the slide name is compare. I'm going to compare between A and B, and whatever text I want to write, I can write it down. Okay, as usual, I can add it. I can do any manipulation or any addition, any updation with the help of these particular slide. Okay, now move back to our first slide. Okay, we all know that if we are going to see any proper presentation, any professional presentation, so there are some transition that we can see that slowly the slide will come to you, slowly the slide will visible to you. So there are some animations, there are some designs, so designs for that. Okay, so for example, click on this slide. For example, click on that particular box and appear, or we can say fade. So when we are going to slide show it, it will be like this. If I'm going to add on the float, just look at the particular table, which is fade. Okay, then fly in like this, float in like this, split, so like this. So there are so many predefined animations which you can use. There are so many animations, you can see them. Okay, so you can use that. For this also you can use anything. For example, again, fade. Okay, this is done. Now I want to present it. So to do presentation, what we have to do is we have to slide show it. We can do that with from here also, slideshow from beginning. So from first slide, we are going to use this. So press enter. Introduction to PowerPoint. Again, press enter. Professor Sachit Joshi, Silver Oak University. So that shows how we can use animation in this particular slide. So we can take any slide, any text, and use any kind of animations in that. Okay. You know that how can you change the layout of the slide already? These are some predefined design. For example, click here and I'm going to do this. I'm going to select this. This will be the predefined style which we can use for our presentation. Okay, so these are some basic things which you can learn about Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you.